Hi everyone, thank you for using the Vigor Active online guided exercise techniques. I'm Stephen Newhart, I'm the owner of Vigor Active, and this is fitness professional Rachel Hedler. We're going to show you the seated row machine today. Okay, so obviously this is a beginner type of exercise. It has a lot of different moving parts and attachments, but for a non-threatening way to get your back to activate, and when I say back, I mainly mean your rhomboids and your posterior deltoids, everything on the back side of your body, this is a good selection. Okay, so the first thing is this piece right here. And if you don't have extremely long arms, you're going to want this all the way in. It has the ability to be way out here. You're going to put it all the way into a 1. You're going to lock that into place. And then your seat here needs to be on a 1 or a 2. The seat, grasp it with both hands. You're going to pull up slightly. And when you pull up slightly, it moves freely. We're going to lock it into that 1 position. We're going to leave it there. Make sure you keep a good grasp on it. Maybe give it a little bit of a push before you sit on it to make sure that it's in the right spot. So this is adjusted for Rachel. She'll have a seat. Now, for the chest piece, okay, this is something that is important, that chest pad. You don't necessarily want it pushing all the way into your chest, so you're moving your body all the way forward so that your stomach actually feels the pad a little bit. Then you'll have a little bit of a lumbar curve, which Rachel has right here, okay, which is going to pick your chest off the pad. You'll make sure you're in this alignment after you grasp the handles and pull the weight up. So go ahead and grab the handles. Very good. She's going to pull the weight away, and we're going to see that little bit of a spinal curve there. Okay. The goal of the exercise is to make your shoulder blades come together. The rhomboid muscle group is in between there. So you want your shoulder blades to come together, and in the extension phase, you want your arms to go all the way straight. Okay. So the arms are going straight, and they are coming even with the side of the body. Now, the rest of it is your shoulder blades. So as your elbows go extended, your shoulder blades are going to go out into a neutral position. Okay. And then when you pull your arms in the concentric phase, we're squeezing the shoulder blades together back here. Okay. And then we're going back into a neutral. So the shoulder blades only go into a neutral position and a fully retracted position, as we call it. Okay. So they're not going super protracted, as we call it, where you're winging out like this when you're in the extension phase. We're going from here to squeeze, and then we're extending, going back to neutral, elbows go straight, and then we're squeezing again. So this is proper form and technique for the seated row machine. It's the first piece of equipment you'll see when you walk in the door, so it's right here. And again, great way to train your back. A little side note before we finish, the back, for most people that work in office buildings, which we have a lot of around here, the back becomes very stretched and weak. So this is a great exercise to reinforce proper posture, okay?